Hello everyone, my name is Hannah Sharma and I am back with a new topic, sets in Python. So let's get started. So sets are also used to store multiple values, but they are unordered. They can indexing cannot be done to them. Okay. So first of all, let's create a set, and first of all, we will give the heading set. Okay, and over here first we will give the heading creating a set. Okay, just a second. And done. So now creating a set. First of all, we'll make a set A, and we use the curly braces to represent the set. Now we will give some values like animal, pen, and paper. Okay, so this is some of the values. Okay, now I will print A, and then I will print type of A. So over here I've got my type as set, and this is my set. My set is printed. Let's create one more set. Maybe a set B. Let's give alpha. Let's give the and gamma. Like this, some values, and then we will print B, and same we will check the type. Print type of B. So over here it's printed now. Now we will check that if the set is really unordered or it's ordered. So we will write okay, we will give the heading as unordered and heading okay and run. Okay, so we will write unordered, then we will give some values over here. Let's make or copy this set, copy and paste it over here, and then we will do indexing. So if the indexing is done, that means it is ordered. But if it's not, it will show an error if it's not. So we will write B, and maybe we want to know at the index number 0 and execute. So over here, as you can see, we have got our type a type error that set is unordered, unscriptable. So this cannot be ordered. Means this is not ordered, and we cannot do indexing. And if you even see over here, we are getting, first of all, I have written alpha, meta, and gamma in this order, but I am getting gamma, meta, and alpha like this in unordered. It's unordered. So if I try the same over here, let's apple, banana, orange, and then if we print C, still we will get it unordered. Like I have given first apple, the apple has came, but then I gave orange. Second I gave banana, but I got orange, and the last one I gave orange, but I got banana. So this is how it's unordered. We can see through some examples over here. Now we will check that if it allows duplicates. Okay, So let's check if it allows duplicates or not. Okay, so we will just copy and paste it here. Let's give alpha meta alpha like this and print. So as we can see that it do not allow duplicates, and we have given alpha 3 times but it has printed only 1 time, meta 2 times but it has printed only 1 time. So this is how it do not allow any duplicates. Even if you write 1000 times, still it will give you the value once. Okay, now uh, one more topic comes in the duplicates, that about the true and one, that the set considers the true and one the same value. So one of the one will be printed, like true will be printed or one will be printed. So we'll just give the heading true or one like this. Okay, so first of all, we will like paste the same and then we'll give the value true, comma, 1 and execute. So over here we have got 2, not 1. And it's of course unordered, so it's getting like this. So we have got our true, not the 1. And if I just copy this and say I will paste here. And if I write 1 over here, I'll get 1, not 2. So which value the true or 1 is at the first position, it will be printed. Okay, so now we will check the length of set. Now we will copy this same code and let's use this time. Okay, now if you want to know the length, what we always do is write print len. Len is the keyword and then b and execute. Join. Okay, over here it's uh, execute. So over here we have got our length 3 and over here we have got our length 3, but over here it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it should be 6 because it we have given the duplicates and it has printed and it do not allow duplicates as we have seen over here. So that's why it has been printed only 3 times over here as we can see, and the length is also 3. So this is how we can get the length of the sets. Now we'll check how many types of data types we can add to a set. Like we can give the integer type data, or we can give floating point data, can we give it, or complex type data. So all of that. Okay. So then over here what we will do, uh, let's make a set and let's store values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, comma, um, like this. Okay, so these are integer type values, and b with floating point like 1.1, 1.1, comma 2.2, 0.3, 4.4 like this, and then C with some complex values like 2 plus 3j, 45 plus 67j, and 78 plus 90j. Okay, like this we can give, and then D with some string type data. So string, we can give string and apple and cherry like this, and E with some boolean values like true, comma, false. And okay, we will now print A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, it's still E. And we will execute. So over here we have got our integer also. And this is our, we have got a floating point value also. We have got a complex values also. Okay. Okay, complex values also, and then we have got um, a string type values and true false are values. The true false values, the boolean values. So these all data types we can use. Now your question will come, can we use, your question will come that can we use um, all of these data types in just one set? So let's check that out. Okay, let's give false over here because one is also over here, so it will not print the true. Okay, so let's give. Okay, done. Now, if I just want to print the F, uh, print F. Now execute. So over here we have got our F. So we can also use all of the types in all of the data types in one also. Now we do nesting in the sets or not? So nested set, we will give the topic needs the heading. So nested sets and run. Okay, so sorry. Okay, nested sets. First of all, we will create a, a set A, and we will give a list inside this 3, 4, 5, and then we will print A, so it will show an error that it's a type error that it is not, we cannot give a list inside a set. Now let's check if we can give a tuple inside a set. So I'll just write print B. So yes, we can give over here the tuple. Now can we give a dictionary inside it? So it has key value pairs, name is equal to Ahana, comma, age is equals to 11, like this, print C. So this will also show in type error that it's not a type. Dict is not a type that we can insert in a set. Now let's just give both as okay. Now can we add the set inside a set? So let's check that also. Let's make a variable d and then let's give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and let's create one more set inside it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Equal values both have. Okay. So we will print d and execute. So still it's giving a type error that we cannot insert a set inside a set because if we give an unordered item inside an unordered item, it will be messed up. So we cannot give a set inside a set. Okay, so let's just do this also. Now we have learned about the tuple constructor, about the list constructor, dictionary constructor. So is there a set constructor? So yes, it's a set constructor also. So it will give the heading as set constructor set constructor. Okay, and the heading. Okay. Now we will make a set t and or set let's make it t and we will write set and inside it we will insert some value like apple, banana, and maybe pen like this, some random values, and we will print print t and execute. So we have our t printed, the set printed using the set constructor. Now let's check the type if it is a set or not. Type of t. So over here we can see the class, the type as set. Okay, so yes, we have this type as set and still it's unordered like pen and banana like this. So today we have learned how to create a set and is the sets are unordered or not. So yes, they are unordered. Now about the duplicates, do they allow or not? No, they do not allow duplicates and duplicates come with one more value that's true or one. So it allows it prints only true or one and how to get the length of the set and how many types of data types that we can insert in a set and can we give all of them together also. Okay, over here I have just written point 2, so it's by default coming 0.2 or 0, then this and execute. So it will come like this. Give up 3 points. Okay, now we have learned how to do nesting in sets. It do not allow with list, it allows with tuples, and we cannot insert a dictionary, and we cannot insert a set inside a set. And we have learned how to create a set through the set constructor. Okay, thank you. Let me get new topics for you.